Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself staring at a messy list of names, titles, or codes in Google Sheets and wishing you could instantly make all the letters uppercase, no more mixing lowercase and uppercase, just clean, consistent caps, then you're definitely in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simplest way to capitalize every letter in your Google Sheets data. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your text stand out and look uniform, just like the pros do. Alright, let's jump right in. So let's say you have a list of names or words in your sheet and they're all mixed up in terms of letter cases. The magic tool we're going to use is the upper function. Think of the upper function like a smart assistant. It takes whatever text you give it and neatly transforms every single letter into a capital letter. No need to retype anything or worry about missing a word. Let's see how it works. Click into the cell where you want your capitalized version to appear. For this example, let's suppose that your original text is in cell A5. All you need to do is type this formula, equals upper open parenthesis A5, then close parenthesis. It should look like equals upper A5, and then hit enter. Now take a look, Google Sheets instantly spits out the capitalized version of whatever was in A5. Whether it said hello, good morning, or even something like name 123, now it's all neatly in uppercase. Pretty handy, right? What's great here is that you don't have to worry about the function messing with numbers or symbols. It will just turn the letters to uppercase and leave everything else untouched. But what if you have a whole list you want to capitalize, not just one cell? Here, where it gets even easier. Hover your mouse over the bottom right corner of the cell where you just wrote your formula. You'll see a tiny square that's called the fill handle. When you see your cursor turn into a small plus sign, click and drag it down through the column as far as your data goes. This tells Google Sheets, hey, repeat the same formula for the next cells, but adjust it for each new row. In other words, if your list goes from A5 to A50, dragging the formula down will capitalize everything, one by one. Now a quick word of reassurance, don't worry if your spreadsheet is pretty long. Dragging the formula down a big list might take a couple of moments for Google Sheets to catch up, especially if there are hundreds or thousands of rows. Just be patient and let it do its thing. And if you accidentally go too far or mess something up, no worries. Google Sheets is very forgiving. You can hit undo or just adjust the fill as needed. Think of it like painting over a wall. You can always roll back or touch up anywhere you need. So to recap, you type equals upper, reference cell, hit enter, then drag the fill handle down to cover as many rows as you need. Instantly, your entire list is capitalized, tidy, and ready to go, whether you're prepping mailing labels, standardizing report data, or just making everything look sharp and professional. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Google Sheets trick you'd like to learn. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.